Electricity is one of the most important forms of energy that we use every day. It powers everything from the lights in our homes to the devices we use to communicate with each other. But, have you ever wondered how electricity works? In this video, we'll take a closer look at the basics of electricity and how it powers our modern world. Introduction. Electricity is a form of energy that is generated by the movement of charged particles, typically electrons. It is typically generated by power plants and then transmitted through a complex network of power lines and transformers before it reaches our homes and businesses. Tip number 1. Generation of electricity. Electricity is generated by a process called electromagnetic induction, which involves moving a wire through a magnetic field. This movement creates an electric current that can be used to power electrical devices. Most power plants use turbines that are powered by steam or water to move the wires through the magnetic field and generate electricity. Tip number 2. Transmission of electricity. After electricity is generated, it is transmitted through a network of power lines and transformers. Power lines are used to carry electricity over long distances, while transformers are used to step up or step down the voltage of the electricity. High-voltage power lines are used to transmit electricity over long distances, while low-voltage power lines are used to deliver electricity to homes and businesses. Tip number 3. Distribution of electricity. Once electricity reaches homes and businesses, it is distributed to electrical devices through a complex network of wires and circuits. Electrical devices are designed to operate at a specific voltage and amperage, and electrical circuits are used to regulate the flow of electricity to ensure that devices receive the correct amount of power. Tip number 4. Safety precautions. Electricity is a powerful force and can be dangerous if not handled properly. Safety precautions must be taken when working with electricity, including wearing protective clothing and using insulated tools. It is essential to follow all safety procedures when working with electricity to avoid the risk of electrocution or electrical fires. Conclusion. In conclusion, electricity is a critical form of energy that powers our modern world. It is generated by moving charged particles through a magnetic field, transmitted through a complex network of power lines and transformers, and distributed to electrical devices through a network of wires and circuits. Safety precautions must be taken when working with electricity to ensure the safety of workers and the public. Closing. That's all for today's video. We hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. Electricity is one of the most important forms of energy that we use every